Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go viral on TikTok in 2025. So if you want more views, followers and engagement, here is exactly what's working right now step by step. So first of all, TikTok rewards videos that grab the attention fast. So you need to use a strong hook right at the start, and this could be a question, a bold statement or visual shock. You can also seek help from ChatGPT in this regard. You can just open ChatGPT, and over here you just have to simply type this prompt like this AI tool saved me 6 hours a day, and or nobody talks about this side hustle, give me more these types of hooks for TikTok. Over here, you need to press enter, and ChatGPT is going to give you like 25 TikTok style hooks that you can get and use in your videos. Now, the second thing is that the videos under 15 to 30 seconds perform best on TikTok. So you can keep the cuts fast, remove any pauses or add captions. TikTok actually measures the watch time and the replays. The longer people stay, the more your video gets shown. So this was our second step that you need to keep in mind. The third thing is that you need to post the content that is shareable. You need to focus on the content that people can relate to. It is surprising, it is educational or emotional. There should be something in it that people could share with their friends or family members, like memes. Do you know facts, any mini tutorials or weird AI stories? Just have to ask questions in the caption to boost the comments and shares. You can use 2 to 3 niches or specific hashtags and 1 to 2 trending ones. You need to pair your content with the trending sounds when possible, and TikTok often favors the videos that match the current trends. Avoid any overloading your captions with the random tags. Just keep it clean and focused. Make sure that you are posting 1 to 3 times every single day for the best chance to trigger the algorithm. The first few videos might flop, but virality usually comes after the consistency and refinement. Analyze what actually performs on your account and double down what actually performing on that style. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.